Welcome. It's day one, so I'm going to tell you what your daily yoga challenge is for a flexible mind. The theme we're working with today is choose. So what I want you to do today is to pick a brand new form of movement and give it a try. So maybe you're used to only doing yoga at home, which is of course lovely and wonderful, and I'm grateful that you're practicing with me. But let's see if we can step out of our comfort zones and try something that we otherwise might not dare to try. I think the easiest way to go about this is to just go on YouTube and try a different form of fitness and movement. So maybe you're going to try a certain kind of dance class, barre, pilates, zumba, qigong, but just give yourself a chance to move your body in a way that you're not used to moving it at all. Maybe a form of movement that scares you a little bit or that makes you a little bit uncomfortable because you're not sure if you'll be good at it or if it's a right fit for you. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter if you enjoyed it or if you didn't. It's all a learning opportunity, and the true growth comes from just making a choice, committing to it, and going through the experience. So just noticing your internal dialogue, what you experience, what you feel, and just kind of having fun with it, letting go of this expectation, and also letting go of maybe a very strict routine if you're used to doing only the same kinds of things. So go ahead and try whatever it is that you would like to try. You can do this at any time during the day, and once you've done it, please check in with us. You can leave a comment down below and let me know what it is that you tried, maybe even share the video if it's one that you did online. I'm all about supporting other online content creators, especially on YouTube. So if there's, a class or a lesson or something online that you tried that you really enjoyed, definitely share it so we can support those creators and just have fun with it. Just focus on choosing. Choose something, try it out, and let us know how it went, either in the comments or of course you can always share over in our students Facebook group, which I will post a link to down below. All right, that's your challenge for the day. Go ahead, you're gonna knock it out of the park, I'm sure. I'm also going to be participating in this and we're gonna have fun with it, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.